Hey guys, it's Scarlett at Build a Cross, and I want to show you how I paint this heart cutout. I'm going to go in first and base coat my heart in the color Barn Red, and this is my very favorite red by Dixie Belle. I'm going to go in next with a number 4 round in the color Soft Pink and add some swirls. And when I do my swirls, I never like to do more than one loop, and I always like to start them on the edges to kind of ground them and then work my way in. And all the paint I'll be using in this video is Dixie Belle chalk paint, and you can purchase the paint, the brushes, and the cutout I use all on buildacross.com. After this, I'm going to let everything dry completely, and I'm going to go in with my Sharpie brushstroke marker and do some lettering. And here I'm just pretty much going in and doing my basic lettering, and then I'm going to go in and kind of thicken it up in certain spots here and there. And then I'm going to highlight each letter on the left side. And this is a step that kind of helps too if you're just figuring out the hand lettering and you may want to kind of disguise any mistakes you made. This helps. And then that is it. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video and have a wonderful day.